Good morning. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day to all fathers out there.
And by the way, welcome to the channel.
Welcome again to our channel, guys.
Guess what? Grace is going to treat me to a breakfast.
I'm gonna treat my husbands to Mr. C.
If we're not overcrowded.
Yeah, because normally when they have special event like this, a lots of customers, they gonna do a reservation first. So hopefully they have still available tables there for us.
Hopefully. And we had
And-
a beautiful sunrise this morning at Papaya Beach.
Yeah.
For a change.
It's like we have a nice weather today, right?
Yep. Sorry folks, I'm driving and concentrating in this congested area. And I get silent when I do that. Because I have to focus on what's
Lots
going
of
on.
traffic this morning.
People will park in the road and walk in the road and dart in and out. That's the community of Bag of Weenies.
So tomorrow, Virgil, we're gonna go back to school.
Yeah.
First day of school tomorrow.
He's excited about that.
Yeah. He said he missed going to school because there's a lots of fun and excitement.
Tell him a little story about the kid last night.
Yeah, there's a kid. It's actually a relative of my family, my grandma. Oh, looks like by the way, the volcano is so nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's been visiting to us last night. He always visit there almost every day, and he's been telling me the story. He's been telling me, I mean, not a story, but it's true, right?
Yeah.
He's been telling me that
About his life.
is about his life, what he feels like, what did he do every day, and he's been telling me also that his birthday will be coming tomorrow. Will be tomorrow. Then I asked him what they gonna prepare for his birthday. So he told me that his grandma will gonna cook him some chicken, and that's all what they got. And he told me also that he wished that he have some cake. I just got laugh because when I was young, I was wish also that I have a cake on my birthday.
You
But-
know, you mentioned that when you was a kid wishing for a birthday cake.
Yeah,
Guess who else wished for a birthday cake?
you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was thinking about myself that before, I don't know how old I am when I have a birthday cake, maybe when you're here. I never had a cake on my birthday, guys. That's the truth. I never had one cake on my when I was young. I think since we meet Daddy, that's where I got my first birthday cake in my life. So that's it. Every time I have a birthday, it looks like it's just a normal day, and my grandma will prepare me one egg, and that's all. But still I'm happy because I'm alive and happy and spend time with my family. So that's all matters. So that kid really wants to have a birthday cake on his birthday tomorrow. So I told him that we try our best to get him some cake. And he's very happy when I said no need to give him some cake because it's expensive. I said it's okay, I can I can find an affordable cake. Then he told me also that their chicken is very small.
Yeah, probably a native chicken.
Yeah, it's a native chicken that they're gonna cook tomorrow. So my husband told me this morning that we're gonna give him some chicken, one of our roaster. We're gonna give him. So we just give it tomorrow to his grandma because he gonna go to school tomorrow. So it be late afternoon. He arrived in the school and we're gonna surprise him in the birthday cake and also chicken. And we're gonna try also to buy him some maybe 2 kilo of pork, right?
Yeah.
Pork and noodles. So I want him to be happy on his special day because we just want to share what we've got because we not been experienced that when we was young, right, baby?
Yeah.
So we're gonna
It reminds me, you guys out there, if you're not a dad, find a family and adopt a child for a few hours or a day. Take them out to eat or something. And pretend you're dad. Get that experience.
like have a bonding moments
Yeah.
together with your
If it's a
kids.
relative, even if
Yeah.
it's relatives.
Yeah. So it's really like it's really sad, but because
Yeah. I know that there's quite a few people out there that are not dads, and it'd be nice if you spend time with a kid of any age. I mean, even if they're a teenager, it'd be nice for you to spend some time.
I was really shocked last night that he just shared to me what happens
Yeah.
on their daily life, and I asked him also what's their food. He said that their dinner yesterday is just 2 pieces of dried fish. That's all they got, and they shared it to their family.
And dried fish is very small, guys.
Yeah, very small for the whole family.
Yeah.
We just want to share to you all guys, and it's really like I'm happy but that we're able to share also to them.
Yeah, Grace and I get to experience things that a lot of people don't.
Yeah, even in a small way they be very happy with that. And also in our upcoming fiesta, we're gonna treat our neighbors and all our friends and from the other barangay free foods. We're gonna have 1 week, right?
Yeah.
And lechon, we're gonna share it to our neighbors.
Yeah, we'll have family visiting from other
Yeah.
islands.
We have some family that visit us from Cebu City, and we're gonna get together because my husband's also will be turning 59 this coming June 22, so it'd be nice to celebrate with them.
I like the way you said that. 59, that's a nice number.
You're not like 59, you're still like looks like 50. Your face but it's not looks like 59.
What, I look like I'm 90?
No, my husband will be like maybe turning 69, right, Daddy?
Yeah.
Yeah, but his face is still not looks like 69, still looks like 50. I'm just kidding, you guys. So he'll be turning 69 years old. It's coming June 22. So it'd be nice to celebrate his birthday with my family from Cebu also, because it's been long time since we've been get together, because we've not been visiting Cebu how many years now?
Lord, last time we was there was before the pandemic.
Yeah, it's before pandemic since we've been in Cebu. So it'd be nice to see them again. but not all of them, because some of my uncles and aunties, they can't afford for the transportation. So not all of them that they can come here. But maybe hopefully soon we can visit the right Daddy
Maybe.
Cebu.
It just got so expensive to travel now.
Yeah, it's very expensive, and also the traffic.
Yeah.
But we can save, right?
Yeah.
Takes time, but we'll be okay. So we be very busy this coming few days.
Yeah.
The fiesta, I mean, buying some foods. And lots of preparation. So we have a nice sunrise there in La Playa
Oh yeah.
this morning.
Yeah.
You're taking some picture on it.
I'll take a few pictures. Yeah.
Yeah. So after the mass this morning, we go directly to San Carlos there in Mr. C, because that's where we're gonna celebrate my husband's Father's Day. Father's Day, his special day. So my son Virgil not been go with us because it's been so early when we left there in the house. It's around 4 a.m. So he's still asleep. So we don't want to disturb him, because yesterday also we've been to San Carlos. So we've been buying some stuff from school and his snacks for tomorrow in the school. So hopefully that you have a wonderful Father's Day celebration, baby. And I thank you so much for everything that you've done to me and to our son. You're just an incredible and amazing father. You're the best dad. You're the best dad, baby.
I just do the best I can. I don't know about being the best.
Thank you so much for teaching Virgil lots of lessons, and for always being with him when he needs something that I can't do. Especially of fixing something that I really don't know about fixing something.
Yeah, I didn't even fix the incubator.
Yeah. So Virgil has been learning a lot because of his dad.
Yeah, he knows how to replace a doorknob now.
Yeah. You've been teaching a lot to him.
Yeah.
He knows better than me. He even teach me what you teach him, he teach me. And that's really nice, because he's been learning a lot. And he's able to share to me and to other people, other kids. And guys, he's been teaching kids how to fix a bicycle. Yeah.
It's nice to be able to pass knowledge along.
Yeah. Also,
Best gift you can give.
yeah. Maybe in his life, maybe he won't. What's that you call with that? He will remember it. What you teach him, he will remember that in his whole life.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, the camera is a little blurred because of the sunshine. It's not really as.
Yeah, check this out.
Oh, look
I
at
don't know if I can see that or not.
look at inside in the truck. It's full of maybe it's like a sugarcane worker inside in the truck.
sun burning my eyes. I have to be very careful.
Yeah, it's not really the camera, maybe it's like so dark because of the sunshine.
Yeah. Well, I've got it's probably better than what you see.
Huh?
I turned the screen down because it's so bright.
Maybe that's why, because I can't even see the road and the camera.
Yeah.
Hopefully it will clear. It will be clear.
Yeah, we'll check it out later. I'll tell you what, this much is difficult to drive when you can't see good. That little shade helped a lot.
You okay now?
Yeah.
Lots of traffic this morning.
Yeah, I noticed that.
So we're almost in San Carlos.
Yeah. You shouldn't drive so fast.
We're just having our breakfast there and we're gonna headed home after. So to all fathers out there, I really want all of you will be happy on this day, on this special day. You deserve to be happy and loved together with your family and friends, relatives, neighbors. Just enjoy yourself, guys. Right, baby?
Yeah.
Because life is too short. We really appreciate all of you for always supporting my husband's YouTube channel. So in my YouTube channel, I've been having a break. I don't know how many months now. I just so been lazy, busy on my workout in the house. I do workout now, guys, in our house. So I'm gonna try my best to do a video on this coming fiesta on our place. I'm gonna show you the pigs that we bought and the preparation of our fiesta. So I'm gonna try my best to do a video on that. Hopefully that I'm not too busy, so I can share all of you the fiesta here in the Philippines, how we prepare.
We got a road check.
We have a road check, guys, so we're gonna end this video. So thank you so much again for watching, and we will see you in our next video. So thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.